Today we are going to discuss about most important topic, polynomial. So what is polynomial? Polynomial is a algebraic expression, an expression of the form px where an is not equal to 0 is called a polynomial in x of degree n. It means the polynomial is an algebraic expression and the condition is written below, such as here a0, a1, a2 and a3 are real number. It means the real number, what is real number? Real number is a set of rational and irrational number. Okay. And the power of x is non-negative integer. What do we understand about non-negative integer? It means the power of the x is positive integer or zero integer. Okay, so the two conditions are a0, a1, a2 up to an are real number. It means it is the what is a real number? Real number is the set of rational and irrational number. So this is the first one condition, and the second one is the power of x is non-negative integer. It means the power of x is either positive integer or zero integer. Okay, so what is the degree of integer? Degree of polynomial, sorry, degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial is the highest degree of variable. The highest degree of variable is known as the degree of polynomial. And in the written algebraic expression px, what is the highest degree? The highest degree is n. So the degree of this polynomial px is n. So there is a different kinds of polynomials such as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, and the difference between them is only on the basis of degree. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then we can say that the polynomial is linear polynomial. As example, you can see that 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5. The highest degree of x is 1. So the degree of the polynomial is 1, then we can say that this polynomial is linear polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? As we know, the highest degree of variable is said to be the degree of polynomial. So the degree of the polynomial is 2, then we can say that the polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Okay, and as similar as if the degree of polynomial is 3, then we can say that the polynomial is cubic polynomial, and if the degree of the polynomial is 4, then we can say that the polynomial is biquadratic polynomial. Now we are going to discuss on value of polynomial at any given point. So if px is a polynomial in x and a is any real value, okay, a is any real value, then the value obtained by putting x is equal to a is the value of px. This is the value of polynomial at a given point. It means if we put any real value in place of variable x, then we find the value of polynomial at any given point. Okay, so as we see in the question that x, we put a real value as x is equal to 2. We put 2 in the place of x and 2 is a real number. So the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2 is 7. As similar as we put x is equal to minus 1 and we know that minus 1 is also real number, then the value of polynomial at x is equal to minus 1 is 10. So by this process we can find out the value of polynomial at any given point. Now we are going to discuss on the zeros of the polynomial. If we put any real number a in a place of x and we find the value of polynomial is 0, then we can say that the a is zeros of polynomial. So I'm trying to say that if any given point, at any given point or any point the values of the polynomial is 0, then we can say that the at that the, then we can say that the those given point is the zeros of polynomial, as we saw in the question that px is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3, and when we put x is equal to 3 we find the value of the polynomial is 0, then we can say that the 3 is the zeros of the polynomial. As similar in case of then in minus 1 we also find the value of px is 0, then we can say that the 3 and minus 1 is the zeros of the polynomial. Okay,